Hey everybody, this is the air compressor set I got for Christmas. It's the FD186K 125 watt air compressor set, oilless. It's supposed to be a really good starter set for people just getting into airbrush kits. It comes with the airbrush, the pipe, some paints, I'm not sure what they're like, some basic cleaning products, and obviously the air compressor with a tank. So yeah, let's open it, let's see. So, first thing you can see, instructions, what I'm sure I'm going to make massive use of. You can utilise this handle to get it out. Alright, 2 seconds, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Took me a little while to get it all out of the box, but anyway, so comes with the airbrush, dual control. Like I say, I'm totally new to this, so this is a good starting place. Paints or inks, I'm not sure if I use them. 1.2 meter cable, somewhere to hold your airbrush. And this is the airbrush compressor. It's got a tank, pressure gauge, water tank to let the water out if it gets to. And this is it. I'll give you an update once I've actually set it up and used it.